This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making fried fish with soya bean paste, or ikan goreng Taucheo. Here is what we need for this dish. I have here 3 Selar Kunning, or YellowTail Scad, about 200 grams each. But you can use any white fish or fillet here. Any type of mackerel would be a good choice. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 130 grams of onions that has been sliced, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 10 grams of sliced ginger, 4 teaspoons of salted soya beans or Taucheo, a chilli that has been deseeded and cut into pieces, 2 tablespoons ketchup manis or sweet soya sauce, and about 150 ml of water. After cleaning the fish, make sure you thoroughly dry the fish. Otherwise, the oil will be splattering around when you fry them. Dust some turmeric powder over the fish. When done, set them aside. Next, heat up your pan over medium heat. When your pan is hot, add in the oil. When the oil is hot, fry the fish. Fry the fish for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side till it's brown. Then, flip it over to the other side. Now, only flip the fish over when you are able to release it easily from the pan. If it's stuck to the pan, it means that the fish is not ready to be flipped. Just give it a little more time. When you're able to release the fish easily from the pan, flip it over and brown the other side as well. When both sides are brown, remove the fish. Drain off the excess oil, leaving about 2 tablespoons of oil behind. Now, again over medium heat. Fry the slices of onions till they are fragrant. Add in the garlic and the ginger and continue to fry them till they are fragrant. Next, add in the salted soya bean paste. Lastly, add in the chillies, the ketchup manis or the sweet soya sauce, and the water. Bring all this to a boil Then lower the heat to a simmer. Simmer all this for about 1 to 2 minutes to slightly reduce the sauce. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, return the fish into the wok and let it braise for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once this is done, we are done. This is fried fish with soya bean paste, or ikan goreng Taucheo.